Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Motion, bringing you guys another video, guys. In today's video we have the 250 RX Apollo. I noticed I've had this bike, my friends had this bike, and we have not done a video on this bike and ever, I don't think. So there he is on the Apollo 125.
This shit is weird.
It is, bruh.
It's just like,
So we're gonna bring you guys a top speed video on the 250 because we've done it. We've done it on both the we've done it on the 125, and now we're doing it on the 250. Which, look, we're just chilling and we're already at 44. Which that one was like top speed. It was hitting like normal 45. Top speed going down a hill was like 51. So we're gonna find out the top speed of this actual bike, the 250, to see if you guys want this one over the 125. Oh look, someone's trailing their dirt bike. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna tell you guys the top speed of this bike. Now this bike is, yes, it is a 250cc. It is like, I think